Hello and welcome to another amazing tutorial from the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this one, I'll be showing you how to download the Fawesome application using Unlinked. If you find value in this video, subscribe to the channel for more content just like this. Now head over to your App Store and I'll like you to navigate with your mouse to the Unlinked app. If you do not have this application already installed, check the link in the description for a tutorial showing you exactly how to get it. When you've gotten it, click on it to open with the OK key on your remote, and when you're in, click on New Library. The library we're going to be using is the Fire Stick library to download this application. So type in Fire Stick exactly as you see on the screen. Be mindful to use capital letters. There's no space between Fire and Stick. I-C-K. When you have Fire Stick as the library code, click on Enter, and you should be greeted with this welcome page. Hit on the next enter button to have this list of apps and navigate down to the app of choice. So you're down at free apps, navigate to Fawesome movies. This is the app you're looking for and you click on it to download. You find this download button here which you launch, and be patient for a couple of seconds because this may take a few seconds to maybe a minute depending on your internet speed. And when you have this app completely downloaded to 100%, you'll be prompted to install it with an install button. So with the options that appear on the screen, you see install app. Click on install app and you have this app directly installed to your app library. Launch the application from there and enjoy. And if you had value from this tutorial, subscribe to join the family, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.